The STARRETT L1 series includes force testing systems, digital force gauges, and manual test platforms. L1 products complement our larger, more complex L2, S2, L2 Plus, and L3 systems. Together, they provide a complete range of solutions for package integrity, top load, seal strength, crush resistance, and other testing applications. L1 systems are easy to set up, operate, and maintain. They are available in 6 possible configurations: 110, 330, or 550 pounds force, and 20 or 30-inch travel. Load measurement accuracy is better than 0.1%, and distance position accuracy is better than 20 microns. The system includes an FMM digital force tester, base clevis adapter kit, load cell mounting block, and a mounted Windows touchscreen tablet with L1 application software. Options include load cell sensors and test fixtures. The software uses simple, fill-in-the-blank templates so an operator with a basic understanding of force testing can easily learn to set up and run tests. Test results are displayed in both graphical or tabular formats. Selected tolerance and statistical data can also be displayed. In addition, you can export data directly to Microsoft Excel. These compact, economical systems are ideal for many applications, including load, distance, and brake limits, as well as cycle count, cycle duration, constant load, and constant distance testing. STARRETT digital force gauges can be used for traditional handheld applications and more. They come with a range of accessories, adapters, a calibration certificate, and a case. They display force and distance results and can also interface to external devices via Bluetooth, USB, and RS-232 ports. They can even serve as an alternative user interface for FMM force tester platforms. These versatile handheld force gauges are ideal for basic tensile and compression testing. We also offer several manual test platforms. They are particularly useful where low volume or occasional testing is required. The MTL tester is operated with a quick action lever that moves the rack and pinion crosshead 3 inches per revolution. The MTH manual tester offers a high-resolution worm gear and hand wheel to make tests effortless and precise. One rotation of the hand wheel positions the crosshead 0.03 inches with a total range of 4 inches. They are also available with attachable legs, allowing you to set up and perform tests in a horizontal position. STARRETT has built a reputation for high quality and exceptional accuracy with its L2, S2, L2 Plus, and L3 force measurement systems. Now, with these L1 products, economical, easy to set up, and easy to use solutions are available for a more limited set of load, distance, and force measurement applications.